breaking news. I'm taking out my locks, but it is for a certain reason. So I'm trying out a new camera stand that I got. I'm going like back and forth. I'm actually recording on my phone today, and the lighting looks awesome, so don't mind that. The reason I'm taking out my locks is because my mom wants me to get them done professionally. So I was looking at a couple of my locks that I retwisted, and I thought that I retwisted them well, but they weren't working out right. And they were also a bit chunky, and I didn't want them too chunky. Like right now, like I didn't even say like I washed it, but like if you can even see that, that's like one lock, but like I retwisted them about a couple, I think like two weeks ago, but like I never washed it after that. Now I only like sprayed it with my oils and my rose water, but like that was the only thing that I was putting on my hair, and I was also oiling my scalp and moisturizing my hair, or moisturizing my twist with the oils. In the back, I'm gonna like move my chair somehow. I don't know if you can see. Okay, in the back you can see where it's not really like twisted. I already took one out, so I took one out here. But a lot of these look like they've never been twisted before, like they've never been like retwisted before, even though like I attempted to, but like it did not work out right. So come along with me in this journey while I take out my locks. It'll probably be like a month before I get them in again. Not before I get them done professionally. So enjoy this process with me. I'm gonna miss them. They look so good. To me, like the front at least looks fine, but the back, no. So let's get started. We're all finished. My glasses are absolutely dirty. But here's my afro back. We are back. Not for long though, but we are back. I actually finished this in 2 hours, literally. Actually, no, an hour and 58 minutes, because I started at 8:31. Here it is. I think it's just the lighting that makes it just look better. Because right now, it looks great. I could do like a twist out that goes like this way, goes down this way. But this heat out here, I don't know if that one's gonna work. This video is sponsored by SewNLove Boutique, and they sent me a bonnet. It comes in, I already actually opened the bag. It comes in a bag like this. SewNLove, yep, it's a handmade boutique. And what do we have here? So it comes with like a little message on it. It's like, thank you for your order. I actually got this for free. It's not sponsored. And also they have little cards, and I will actually link all of the Instagram handles, the Facebook handles, like all of that, all the social cards. I will link that in the back. I will link that in the description box below. And also, I gotta show you how it looks, right? So this is the brown side, and then there's a reversible green side. Also, I do want to let you know that there are so many different colors. I have a basic one, and they also have like a little tag on here, which is so cute. Okay, so this is the adult size, because I got an adult head. Yeah, this is sponsored by them, and because I'm going to sleep right now, your girl's going to sleep in this, right? Whenever I go to sleep in this bonnet, it feels so nice, and I wake up, my hair is still moisturized. It's still moisturized, and I love it, because a lot of these people will be going to the hair store, and they'll get one of those satin bonnets, and it's not really satin, and it's not really a good material that you can put on your head. But this is a really good material that you can put on your head. It's reliable. I don't know how many reviews there are, but I am a reviewer saying that, hey, you should definitely go purchase this bonnet. I'm actually going to leave down the website below so that you can order it. And yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to be a part of the notification gang, click that bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. So yeah, I enjoyed this process, and I can't wait to get my locks back. Let me know if you want me to vlog me getting my locks done, because I wasn't sure if I want to or not, because I just don't know how the hairstylist or how the loctician would feel if I'm like recording her, so I would definitely ask her before. But you guys let me know. I'm probably gonna do it without your approval anyway, so yeah. So with that being said, I hope y'all have a great day or a great night or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you later.